Hello friends, uh, today I'm going to teach you how to configure port security using Package Tracer 7.2, the latest version of Package Tracer. So the first thing that we are going to start with, and we are going to start putting with the topology. So I pick cheese. You have to look for the cheese. Put cheese here. Yeah, after putting cheese, and I have to also try to get some computers and put them there. Pick another one, put there, and pick another one again and put it the other side. So we have almost 3 computer, and this one computer is, we name this computer to be hackers. This is the strongest hackers hacking computers. So this one is hackers waiting for any problem, any violation in the network, and to connect. We'll try to connect on this PC. We're gonna zero connect to the trace on the first internet. We connect the PCs. We connect all the PCs. Yes. Now we are doing connections. Best. Yes. PC7. We connect again this one to internet 3. First internet 3. Connect. Yeah. The first thing that we are going to do, we have to start configuring router. We configure router and give the IP address. Enable config terminals. Interface giga 0/0. IP address is 192.168.1.1 and 255.5.5.0. No, I made mistake. We put 5.0. Yeah. Then no shutdown. The port is up, and we exit from here. We do dynamic pulls. We have to do dynamic configuration on this router. Exit, we have to start pull by the IP address GCP pull data, that's the pull name. And network we're going to put 192.168.1.0, and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then default gateway, default router is 192.168.1.1, and DNS put here 192.168.1.3. yeah, here. Then we do white for saving configuration to exit. Then we create pools here. The manifest exclude address 192.168.1.1 to 192.168.1.5. we do right to save the configuration. I think everything is okay in Dynamics OS configuration setup. So we try to find out whether the computer will access the network dynamically. You see, yeah, dynamic OS request is successful. I know it also is going to be successful on this PC. Yeah, we see, yeah, successful. We try also another PC. Yeah, successful. Everything is okay. Man, the only thing is that we have to configure security on the cheese now. This we are going for configuration of security, port security on the cheese. We go here, set enable configure terminal. Then we go to interface range, fast internet. Put 0/2 to, we can put 8, 9 because we are going to show just put 6. Yeah. Then we say G-spot mode access. G-spot port security we enter, no problem. Choose port security, MAC address as sticky. Yeah, the MAC address is going to be sticky. Then we put the violations. If anybody try to connect, it will shut down. Violation shut down. If anybody try to connect, it will shut down. Then we put the maximum connection of the PC is equal to 1. Yeah, do right to save the configuration. And I think everything's okay, but I wanted to connect one computer using the MAC address. This is the same MAC address. I don't want to use sticky. And you see the maximum computer is 1, which is going to connect to the port. All the ports is going to receive 1 to right. Now I wanted to work on the interface. We have to work on the interface 2. Yeah, this one we have to work on this. I'm going to put the MAC address of this computer. You see the MAC address. The MAC address is 00001. The MAC address is 00001. We write here the MAC address 00001 dot. We check again. The exact MAC address of this PC are 4254. 4254. Put 42 and 54. Then again we check 35 4E. We try 35 4E. Set 5 4E. Yeah, this is the MAC address of this PC. So we are going to use this MAC address for configuring port security. Yes, this is MAC address for the PC. So we have to configure this one using the MAC address exactly. So we are going to do it on the choice. We open, we exit here, we go to interface first, internet 0.2. Yeah, 0.2, because this one is 0.2. We enter, choose port security. Yeah, we enter, we choose port security, MAC address. We write this MAC address. We are going to write this MAC address of this PC, which is going to be 0000001 dot 4254 dot 35 4E. Yeah, the thing is the exact MAC address. We enter, then we put the violation. If somebody try to connect, it will shut down. So we put the violation. We put the violation shut down. Yes, now we do right to save the configuration. Then we try to verify if this one is working properly. We verify by bringing. We try to verify if this one is properly. And the hacker is here. He came at night. He wanted to connect to the interface. He's now here. Pick the wire, connect to his computer. He wanted to access the network. You see the port is now booting up, and we try to access the dynamic IP address. We try. See. Yeah, dynamic host failed. Dynamic host failed, which means this one it is not. Yeah, because the port is shut down automatic, simply because it is not recognized. It's not recognizing the computer. They said, yeah, this computer is not the one. So how come that is connected? So we try to check on the port. Why is it shutting down? We try to check, try to configure out. we see, yeah, the interface 2. We said N here, and then we said support security. Yeah, enter. We see the interface fast internet 02 is counted with 1 shutdown. There's someone connected, you see, count the shutdown is 1, which means someone tried to attempt the fast internet 02, which means this violations is working properly. Security try to detect, so we try to check exactly the interface. No, I made some mistake. We put the security interface fast internet 02. Then we will find that the port security is enabled and the port status is securely shut down and the violation is shut down. The inging time is 0 minutes and the ting time is absolutely, and everything. This one, the secure static address inging is disabled. The MAC address, the maximum MAC address is 1 and other things. If you come down here to last MAC address variant is 002. This is the MAC address of the hackers who try to connect to the interface. You see, this is the MAC address of the person who forced himself to connect to the interface, and the violation is counted to be 1, which means this one guy tried to connect, but the switch recognized him and know that this is not the one person which is supposed to be connected to me. So the switch disabled the port. So let us try to recover the port. Now the administrator will come from home and try turn back the port, but the port will still shut down. So the administrator must go to the switch and try to make the interface fast internet 02 to put them up because it is shut down. The first thing you have to do is to shut down first. Put shut down, yeah. Then you say no shut down. Yeah, you see it's now refreshing up. It's coming up. You see, this is how the port security configuration is done on the switch. So no hackers will come and connect to interface to the port because the security is the port is secured with MAC address of the computer. So we have to wait and see. We wait for, yeah, it is now up. We try to access the dynamic host if the computer will accept again. We try to access. DHCP request is successful, which means everything is fine and it's okay. So the hacker will try his best and he will fail to get any port connected and try to access. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will get you more on the platforms. Visiting www.unlockbridge.com and subscribe to our channels. I will give you a lot of videos and other things which is going to help you in future. So this is what is done to the cheese port. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Yes.